snipers.
Yo, what up, YouTube? This your boy Woodborn, and I'm finna 1v1 some dude with my rapid fire S12 shotgun.
Free for all.
But he don't know I got rapid fire, so let's see what his expression be. Are you ready, Toxic?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh fuck!
I'm warning you. I was Prestige 10. I got hacked though. I had diamond shotguns. So I'm a beast. Just kidding. I'm not actually that good. But I did get hacked. I was Prestige 10, or almost 10. What? What's so funny?
Nah. Hell no. That lucky ass shit.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Oh shit.
Damn, ran out of ammo.
What the fuck? Like fucking rapid fire or something.
Oh my god, you just trash, my nigga. Oh my god. Why you camping, man?
I wasn't. It's called waiting.
Waiting, camping, same thing.
No, it's not.
Come on, wait on me now. Why you running from me?
Because you're gonna kill me.
What you mean I'm gonna kill you? You gonna kill me? It's almost a tie. We ain't gotta run, bro.
Ah, shit.
Oh my god.
What the fuck up? Stop laughing at me, man. I'm garbage.
Come on, man. I thought you were 10 prestige. Oh, that bullshit.
I was.
You know, I was master prestige twice. Come on, man. You ain't. Oh shit. You lucky I reloaded. Where you at? Come on, man.
Wait, hey, leave.
Yo, Flash, back out
Sorry,
and flat. Join back. Hey, join and spectate.
All right, I'm the one leaving. The one laying down. Don't kill me.
Nah, bro, just leave and spectate.
Hey. Can't kill him.
Yo, the gamer, ain't nobody cheating. Tell your friends stop calling me a cheater.
Remington.
All right, I'm here.
Yo, that was my secondary. I ain't try to use that. You spectating now?
Yeah, I'm spectating.
You see how he's cheating?
Wait, are we having a shotgun battle?
Yeah, just me and him shotgun battle.
Oh, well, next can we have a pistol battle?
Yeah.
Wait, what does the score go to?
30. I'll stop it at 15 though. We can stop at 15. Oh my god. You ain't gotta sneak up on me like that though. Yo, who you spectating,
Sneak
bro?
up on you, dude. The radar is on constant. How am I sneaking up on you?
Oh. You're not gonna get me like that, bro. You ain't gotta run.
Reload. I gotta reload.
Yo, the jewels.
Yeah.
Who you spectating?
I'm spectating both of you.
Oh, watch this. Watch how I kill him this time.
I'll watch you.
What?
Actually, I don't know who to watch.
Hold on.
My name Wilborn.
Holy crap.
Spectate Wilborn.
God damn.
Oh, that one.
You both have trigger fingers like me. I don't know which one to watch.
All right. Good game, bro. Good game.